Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited to announce my Big Plans, Memories, and More online card class. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm going to give you all the details about this online card class, how it works, and then we'll take a look at a sneak peek of some of the projects in the class. All right, so I'm so excited about offering this online class, you guys. I can't even begin to tell you just how excited I am. So I want to first start by sharing with you what supplies you'll receive in the mail from me when you purchase this online class. Excuse if you hear thunder. It is storming outside, and it literally just started, of course, when I want to film this video, so it's pretty loud. So if you hear thunder, sorry about that. There's a storm. Okay, so the first thing included in the online class is you'll receive one of our large wood mount stamp cases. I love these. We're actually going to be decorating this case in the class and then using it to hold all of the projects that we create. You'll also receive a full package of the Share What You Love Artisan pearls. You'll get the full package of the Big Plans, Memories, and More card pack. So this is actually going to be the focal point of this class, is the card pack, and I'm showcasing the more in the Memories and More. So you can do a lot more than just memory keeping with our Memories and More materials. So I'm really excited about that. So you've got all of these cute little 3x4 cards that we're going to be using. Well, not all of them, but we're going to be using a lot of them. And then you've also got these 3x4 cards. They're all double-sided. Super fun. Aren't the patterns cute? Love the colors. Then you've got all of these 4x6 cards as well, double-sided. We've got sticker sheets, which are awesome. There are some foiled bits in here. See the foiling, more sticker sheets, just a lot of fun. I really love this card pack. Then you'll also receive a full roll of the sheer ribbon in Calypso Coral. Such a pretty color. Then, as a free gift included in the class are the rest of the materials that you'll need for the projects. So I've got 10 Whisper White envelopes because we're making 10 cards. So awesome. See, you hear the thunder? We're making 10 cards, so envelopes are included as a free gift. And then I've cut down I will have cut down all of the card bases that we will need for all of the cards. So you'll get all of your bases. Then I will have taken care of all of these cardstock layers. Some of the cardstock layers are embossed, so all of those will be included. Then all of the die cut pieces that we'll need. Also a piece of this gray granite weave ribbon that we will need for one of the cards, and then also this piece of pineapple punch ribbon that we will need for one of the cards. So all of that is included, as well as the free gift from me to you for purchasing my online class. And then an exclusive video comes with the class as well. So this video will not be publicly posted on my YouTube channel. It is only for class members. So you'll get that exclusive video tutorial, and you can find a full schedule for how this class will work. The pre-order for the class begins today, August 11th, and it will run through August the 15th. So I do have a pre-order link just below the video in the description notes, or if you're looking at this over on today's blog post, which is linked below as well, I have the pre-order link over there as well. So click that link, put in your info over there, and then I will be sending you the invoice to actually purchase and pre-order your online class materials. I will place the order with Stampin' Up! Once the pre-order closes. The pre-order closes on August the 15th. So if you're interested in the online class, you do have to pre-order and purchase by August the 15th, purchase the class by August the 15th, and then I will order all of the supplies for all of the class members on August the 16th. Once I receive those materials in, I'll be cutting everything down, packaging it up, getting it ready for shipping. Okay, but you can find the entire class schedule over on today's coordinating blog post. So the cost of the class is $32.85. So that amount covers the cost of the Stampin' Up! Materials and then shipping. And remember, the rest of the supplies are a free gift from me to you, so you're not paying for any of these supplies over here. So it's an amazing deal on this online class. And then a couple of other supplies I recommend having on hand to complete the projects are some adhesive, of course. So I'm going to be using dimensionals, snail adhesive, and then also glue dots. And then you'll definitely want to have a pair of good scissors to cut your ribbon. And if you'd like to add on any of these additional items to your online class package, just make sure you add that information in the comment section of the pre-order form. Just let me know, hey, I'd like to add on a pack of dimensionals, or I'd like to add on some paper snips or snail, whatever it is you want to add on, and I'll happily add those items on, and I'll just adjust your invoice to reflect the cost of adding those items on. And then I would also recommend having some sort of a paper trimmer. There are a couple of pieces you're gonna have to trim down that come in your Memories and More card pack. So a good paper trimmer would be definitely recommended for that. And then also a hole punch. So this is just a $1 hole punch that I got at the dollar store. And it's about 1/8 of an inch hole punch, I believe. So yeah, 1/8 of an inch. So something like that I would also recommend, because we're going to use this a couple of times to string some ribbon on some of the projects. So I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek into the projects. So like I said, we're going to decorate the case, and then we're making 10 cards. So I'm just going to give you a quick little glimpse at those cards. So 10 cards, you can use these cards as a gift. You can give this entire little package as a gift. You can keep it for yourself. It's totally up to you. Just a lot of fun. All right, so again, all you have to do to pre-order this online class is click the link in the video description below that says pre-order link, enter your information over there, and then within 24 hours you will receive a pre-order invoice through PayPal from me. You don't have to have a PayPal account to pay the invoice. You can enter any card information in there to actually complete the invoice. Just make sure you do so by August 15th, because that's when the pre-order closes. And this online class is only available for US residents. Unfortunately, I cannot ship Stampin' Up! Supplies outside of the United States. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me at quetabughandmaids@gmail.com. I hope you are as excited as I am about this online class. I think it's going to be super fun. I know you're going to enjoy it. So thanks again for joining me today, you guys, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Bye now.